Welcome everybody. I'm Adarius.
I'm Deidre.
And today we are at Universal Orlando Resort. What we're going to be doing today is just kind of taking it easy. We're just going to find the lowest wait time ride, and then we're just going to go from there with it. We don't really have a plan.
We don't have a plan. We don't know what's happening. We don't know where we'll go or end up. We have one thing in mind, and that is to ride the lowest wait time ride.
Yeah.
And from there, who knows where we're going to end up.
Who knows?
Follow along for a day of fun.
A spontaneous adventure.
At Universal Orlando Resorts.
All right. So she's getting the app loaded up now. We're going to see what's going to be the lowest wait time today. Wait, before you tell me, let's predict. What do you think is going to be the lowest wait time?
Storm Force Acceleron.
I'm going to go with ET.
All right, let's see. I wish there was a way to filter lowest to highest, but we're just going to have to go through them. 15. Okay, so right now 15 at Dr. Doom's.
All right.
15 at Hulk. Oh my goodness.
What?
10, Jimmy Fallon. I don't think we're going to get lower than that.
I don't think so either.
No water rides. Thank you. Oh, no. Let's see. Storm Force Acceleron. Oh, Cat in the Hat
Cat
also.
in the Hat. Oh, man.
Okay, those two are tied. Do you want to do Cat in the Hat or Storm Force Acceleron?
All right, so we had just got done eating at Burger King not too long ago.
Oh, man.
So I don't think Storm Force Acceleron would be the smartest stop to
but
go
it
with.
is tied with Cat in the Hat, so
Right.
to Cat in the Hat.
Cat in the Hat it is. That was an easy decision. Thank you. And the adventure begins. All right, so before we actually get to the ride, we had to make a pit stop by the Christmas store because these been feeling a bit Christmassy lately, and so yeah. What you got?
Ministry of Magic Memos. 15 memo sheets, 15 golden seals, and it teaches you how to fold them.
Oh. We got a unicorn stocking.
That is awesome.
I like that ribbon.
EDC outfit.
You want to turn into an EDC outfit? Yeah.
Do you recognize this? This is from the holiday tribute store. Remember?
Oh yeah. Oh, look
I'm
at
so
that.
glad they put that in here because that is a really good piece.
Oh, I wonder, is your name on this list?
They could move the list in here. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy.
Comment down below if your name is on this list.
That means you're not.
All right, that was a neat little looking around. Now on to Cat in the Hat.
I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie tonight. I miss Christmas.
All right, so I guess a Christmas movie is going to be the theme tonight. All right, so we made it over to Cat in the Hat.
There's no filming here.
No filming, but we'll at least try to get the queue line for you.
I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny. I feel like that's every rainy day with us.
That is us.
Call them thing 1 and thing 2. They are tame. Oh, so tame. They come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet day.
So how you like that ride?
It's good air conditioning.
That's what you have for that?
Those things are creepy. Alright, let's see. The next lowest wait time?
Yeah. Okay, so since while we're in Islands of Adventure, let's go with the next.
Okay, in Islands.
Yeah, let's go with the next lowest wait time for right now.
Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey at 20 minutes.
So we're going to do Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. So technically the Hulk will be the next one, but our stomach hasn't settled yet. It's at 15 minutes. Yes.
We could do
It's crazy.
One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish.
The other one was Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Harry Potter.
Okay.
And we're off on another whirlwind adventure. You were fun. You were fun.
Statement Island.
We made it over to Forbidden Journey. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to fight some Dementors?
Oh man, that's always the scariest part. I was kicking my feet and screaming.
Like,
so,
ah!
yeah.
I was like, hurry! All right, well, let's go.
Barking was brilliant. Also, to be dead bored, as is Professor Ben's ferret.
Hermione did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! Sorry about that. Those benches can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week, anyway.
Follow my voice! The forest is safe! Hold on tight!
Where are you men? Nick, follow me! Showing off for your muggle admirers, Potter! Dementors! This way! Stay close and follow me! It's caving in! Watch out! Let's get out, quick!
As we're getting off the ride, we noticed a couple things has changed in here.
This wall used to be here, and now it's a photo stand.
Oh. Last time we were here, they also had a wall up over here, and now it's down. It's back open. So that ride was fun, like always.
Yes.
All right. Did you get scared this time?
Yep.
No, of course. All right. So, what's our next time that we are looking at here?
One fish, two fish at 5.
Right.
Oh, I wanted to
at
tell you thank
5.
you. If it wasn't for your Disney Springs video, we wouldn't have been able to navigate through there very well.
Oh, no problem. No problem.
We've already done the Cat in the Hat.
I can't see it out of my glasses.
Hulk is 20. Wait, where's Spiderman? Oh, Spider-Man's 20.
Spider-Man's 20.
Yeah.
You know?
Wait, what's Kong? Kong's 35. So Spider-Man is still lower.
So let's get on. Okay. So you said Skull Island's on 35.
35, yeah.
How about we go get on Skull Island? We're just gonna keep going up this ladder.
Okay. Do you want me to see what River Adventure is on?
How about we get on Skull Island? See what it is. That looks good.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you know where we've never.
Sorry.
You know where we've never been?
What?
The watering hole.
The watering hole, huh?
The watering hole.
The watering hole. So we're gonna make a little pit stop here before we head on over to Skull Island. So we made a little pit stop. Remember how I said we were spontaneous?
We ended up at the watering hole.
Yes, we did. Our first time there.
Yeah. Good frozen drinks.
Yeah. Big UO fist bump from Miss Charlotte over there. She might have been
She
the
was
most.
the most energetic.
Yes, and happiest person we saw and encountered.
Paper straws are no bueno.
No bueno.
You can't suck up anything. They're just for serving.
Yeah. I got the wild berry with tequila, and you got the.
Mango passion and vodka.
So what they do is these are all frozen drinks. They don't add the liquor until you order. Well, is that how it works?
Yeah.
Yeah, until you order.
You pick your frozen beverage and you pick your liquor, whiskey, rum, tequila, or vodka. Let me try yours.
All right. Oh my gosh, my straw actually works. I don't know why yours don't.
Mine does not work.
Yours is
Okay.
sweet. It's light.
Mine is sweet.
Also, check out this view. We're sitting like right next to Velocicoaster.
They're just testing it right now. There's only one dude on it.
Lucky. Okay, so that was a very good drink.
I'm trying. I'm a lightweight.
You're trying over here?
I'm a lightweight.
You're lightweight.
Lightweight. I'm trying.
It's all good. You enjoyed it though, right?
Oh yeah.
We made it. We have made it.
Still haven't finished my drink.
Oh no. So I haven't finished the drink. I thought you was gonna toss it.
The team is on its way. We have a new crew headed to the pickup site as we speak. Only if we can! They're right on top of us! Base, we'll stay back. We got a few friends following us. What kind of friends? Lying! They look like big cockroaches and so
I wasn't prepared for what we found. No one was.
Go with me, you filthy... Get down!
Everybody, be very quiet. Never mind. Look at him. He's massive. Incredible. He could have squashed us like a bug.
All right. So how was it?
What? They got in my mouth.
I got a little bit wet.
We were sitting on the right side this time. We always sit on the left. I don't know why, but there are spiders that I've never seen before on the right-hand side. So that was fun.
a little creepy. So it was kind of tough holding the goggles in place on that one, but we got it nonetheless.
One last ride before we go.
One last ride.
Spiderman.
Spiderman. If you get the reference.
No.
What's over there now?
This one's got a
and what has been described
croissant.
as a
It's a
strange
croissant.
green levitation ray.
Did you see that? The spider signal! With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away.
With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life.
Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it. Hey, that's mine! Incoming! Don't leave now! Things are just starting to heat up!
that does it for Islands of Adventure. We had a lot of fun. We actually rode quite a few rides here today.
The Spiderman, like, there was a lot of water. All the effects were working, and it was spinning really violently, so it was good.
Right.
It was good.
The temperature has been has been kind to us.
This weather today is awesome.
It's been windy, but yet not hot.
Yeah.
Like it's
79, light breeze, partly cloudy, the best.
Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is take a little break. We're gonna probably head on over to Toothsome to have a snack or so,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna go over to Universal.
Snack time.
Snack time. Okay, so the damage has already been done, but these tacos were amazing as always. Also had a chocolate old fashioned, was really good. And then now it's on to the s'mores sundae. Look how big this thing is. This is one of the reasons why we always come here.
This is one of the reasons why I'm fat.
I think that makes both of us. Look at it, we got what, graham crackers, marshmallows, whipped cream,
cream.
chocolate sauce.
Little baby marshmallows and then chocolate ice cream. Oh, Jesus. All the chocolate ice cream.
Oh, so delicious. So, this has been amazing. I still have yet to try the s'mores. I'm just drinking right now. I can't do anything else.
Or eat it before I eat it all.
She might have to eat that all.
No, I'm not eating it.
I can't. So, Toothsome is delicious as always.
Yeah, that hit the spot.
Yeah, and now it's on to Universal.
Universal! I'm a lady.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it over to Universal Studios. No? Okay. All right. It works. I'm excited.
Use the bathroom now.
How tall are you? Well,
I'm this tall.
no. You're not tall enough to ride the Mummy.
Nobody's tall enough to ride the Mummy because it's closed.
Well, I mean, gonna be a Debbie Downer about it.
I'm being a realistic Regina. It's really not open right now.
Wait, what did you call it?
I'm being a realistic Regina. It's really not open. It's realistic.
All right, so now that we made it through the gates, we are about to check for the wait times.
Despicable Me is 15 minutes.
15?
It's lower than E.T.
It's turning out to be a very good day right now.
Okay, but I don't have any Dramamine, so I can't ride the Minion Mayhem. I'm sorry.
Okay, so we're going to slash that one now.
Okay, that one's gone. E.T.'s 25. There's just an empty slot here. I don't know what that is.
It's Fast and the Furious, which is everybody's family around here.
It's 20. Let's see. Jimmy Fallon's 5.
Wow. Can you even do Jimmy Fallon right now?
Probably not. That's on the same lines as the Minion Mayhem.
So without any Dramamine, no 3D rides.
But I can do like Transformers, which is only 15.
Can you do Green Gods?
Yeah, but it's 50 minutes.
Oh, never mind.
50. So, what? Wait, where is? Oh, E.T.'s 25. So Transformers is actually lower than E.T.
Can you do Transformers?
After having all the chocolate,
Probably not.
let's do E.T. and take a nice trip through space.
Yeah. We are on Hollywood.
Yeah, Hollywood.
Hollywood. The Flintstones.
I forgot that was a thing. Oh my gosh.
Calling for ET to come home right away. See, a big problem is to go 3 million light years away on it. You and ET will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes.
Ice cream! Whoa, watch it!
Go to Tickly. Hurry.
Welcome home.
we have decided Men in Black will
Let's
be
take
our
a shortcut.
next ride to go on.
Yeah.
ET was fun.
Wait, what
Like
is it,
always.
like 10 or 15 minutes?
Yeah, it's like it's 10 minutes.
10 minutes for Men in Black?
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, you ready for this? Ready to do this?
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry,
So-
for the haunted house.
So I think what's gonna happen right now is I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record this. I'm gonna be too busy shooting.
Yeah, we'll get the score at the end.
But yeah, we'll do that for you.
Greetings, rookies. Sam here. Sorry about this funny theme park nonsense. Welcome to MIB Agent Training.
There's another truckload. Hello, people. They just keep coming. Where do you all come from, Mr. MIB want to be had? With your shirt. Your ugly shirt that makes no sense.
Surveillance
Over here. Y'all got skills.
I got 537.
Time to suit up, y'all. The last suit you'll ever wear.
Oh, it'll be ready next Wednesday.
All right, that was fun.
Yeah, sure.
It was fun. All right, so what we're looking at here?
Transformers is 10.
Transformers 10.
Yeah. And hopefully by the time we're done with that, Gringotts will be at a reasonable wait time. Because right now it's still 50 minutes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, let's go ride some Transformers, I guess.
Yeah.
Be after the all-smart track. General Watchtower! General Watchtower! Is that you, Stormward?
So that was fun. Unfortunately, I did not get any on that ride this time. I've got on Universal side, they're a little more stricter when it comes to not recording. So
Disney, they're like, sure, record everything as long as you're not backstage.
right,
But here at Universal, they don't really like you to record anything.
they don't mess around with that.
Okay. Getting tired.
Good. Let's see what is there left.
Gringotts is still 50 minutes.
All right. Unless you want to do Jimmy Fallon,
I can't do the Jimmy Fallon or the Minions right now because I don't have my drum mean, so.
Right. So I mean, I think we might just call it here. We had gotten a pretty good bit of rides in today.
Yeah.
All right, so that's going to do it for us today here at Universal Studios. So all in all, it was a fun day. We had got some good food, good drinks, and we got quite a few rides in today. It's successful day. All right, but with that being said, we're